Listen to me very carefully. I see many SAP SD consultants with 8 years of experience earning the same salary as someone with 4 years. And it's not because they don't know SAP. They know VS02, they know ticket flow, they know how every workaround, but they don't know why their career is stuck. The real reason is simple. They choose the wrong project type and stayed there too long. See, in 2026, the market doesn't pay for years of time spent, right? It pays for the problem solved. Today, I'm going to break down the 4 SD project types that decides your salary: support, migration, implementation, and hypercare. And I'll tell you which one changes your career the fastest way. Let's start with support project. See, support feels comfortable. You know the system, you know the users, you know the issues. Every day looks similar, right? Ticket comes in, tickets goes out. Support is predictable, right? Predictable work, predictable stress, predictable pay. For the companies, support is a maintenance cost. It is a OPEX, and OPEX is always controlled every year. Every year, the CEO asks one question: how do I reduce this cost? Right? That's why salaries growth is very slow, 5% to 8% if you are lucky. In support, you learn how the system behaves, but you don't learn why it designed that way. You fix the symptoms, you don't redesign the process. You stay here too long, but your consulting standards start dying, right? It is a safe, but it's capped your career. Now let's talk about migration, ECC to S4 HANA. This is where the pressure begins. Migration is not a technical upgrade, it is a business surgery. Here, every old assumption breaks, customer becomes business partner, pricing behaves differently, output logic changes, data suddenly matters, cutover planning becomes real. One wrong decision can delay go live by weeks, right? One good decision can save millions. See, migration projects are high risk, high visibility, high accountability. This is not OPEX project, this is a transformation CAPEX projects. If you survive migrations, you stop being just SD consultant, you become trusted partner. So this is where 20 to 40% hike starts making sense, right? Now comes implementation, greenfield implementation projects, new system, blank slate, right? This is where architects are built. In implementations, you don't inherit problems, you design decisions, you gather requirements from client, you challenge the business, you decide what becomes standard and what stays outside the core, right? So you define pricing strategies, credit processes, order flows, integration touch points. For the company, implementation is a pure investment. It is a future building money. Capex, capex projects. If you can design clean process and keep the core stable, you become extremely valuable. Implementation experience is what separates consultants from solution architects. So this is where 30 to 50% hikes likely consistently possible. Now comes hypercare. This is a battlefield. Hypercare starts the day system goes live. No theory, no documentation comfort, right? Let's say if order fails, pricing mismatch appears, credit block explodes, user panics, management watches. If you can walk into that chaos, identify the real root cause, and stabilize the revenue, you become indispensable. Hypercare is a war pay, late nights, high stress, extreme visibility. This is where career jumps because it proves you can protect the business when it matters the most, right? So what's your smart move now? If you are in a support today, don't just close tickets. Understand the root cause. Connect issues to migration risks, right? Learn why things break. Volunteer the migration testing, right? Ask for cutover exposure. If you are in a migration project, push forward the design discussions. Learn implementation logic. Own hypercare, no hypercare initiatives, right? Don't just say I know SAP SD. Say instead I have worked across support-led S4HANA migrations and stabilized systems during hypercare with a clean core thinking. That sentence changes you from resource to an asset, right? Now listen carefully, guys. In 2027, by 2027, basic support tickets will be handled by AI agents. Only three profiles survive: those who design systems, those who migrate systems, those who protect revenue during go live, right? Don't chase comfort, chase criticality. Your project type decides your salary more than your experience. Subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'm your AmanbhAI. I don't just teach T codes, I give you the roadmap to the top notch consultants. See you in my next video. Stay tuned to grow to your next level. Thank you so much for watching.